Greetings everyone and welcome to another Jarrison Time informational video.
In the following video, we'll be looking at customizing shortcut buttons in the day schedule window. Shortcut keys are used in the day schedule window to make the assigning of day programs easier and faster. Once we are in the software, we'll head over to the menu bar and click on View, then Day Schedule. The day schedule window will appear. Then at the bottom left, we will see it displays Day Program, with a drop down for us to select from all of the day programs the user profile is able to work with. In today's example, let's select Admin Monday to Thursday. Once selected, we can assign this day program to the custom button displayed as not set. For this, we right click on the button and select Assign the shift to this button. We can then repeat this action so that we can fill the buttons with our most used day programs. Now that we are done with our allocations, should the first row not be enough, we can right click on any of the buttons and select display rows 1, 2 or 3. Today's example, we're going to display 2 rows, and now we have more buttons to work with so that we can assign more shortcut options. Now that we are done assigning our shortcut keys, we can then click on the save button and start allocating the day programs as needed. For this, we can use one of two methods to select the assigned day programs. First, we can left click on the assigned day program, selecting it and then using it to assign it to an employee. After that, we can use the numbers on our keyboard. For example, if we press the number 4, we will select the Admin Sunday day program. Should we want to select Flexi Sunday, we will then press 1-5 for the 15th assigned day program. We can then use this method to go on and select all of the other assigned day programs in quick succession. Then let's close the day schedule window by clicking on the close button and having a look at shortcut key allocation with user groups. When using user groups for shortcut key allocations, we can ensure that all users assigned to the same user group have the preset shortcut keys available to them when using the system. For this, let's start by activating the option and clicking on Setup, then System Preferences. After that, we'll click on the Day Schedule tab. On this tab, we will then make sure to tick the Use User Group Settings option. Once done, we can then click on the Save button. We are also able to edit the display color of the day programs from this window. By clicking on the back or fore color, a color picker will display and we can select which color we would like to change it to. Once done, we can click on the OK button and see that our color has now changed. After that, we can click on the Save button again. Now that we are done with the Preferences window, we can then click on the Close button. Then let's head to the menu bar again and click on Users, then User Groups, and the User Group window will appear. After that, we'll select which one of the user groups we want to set the day schedule shortcut keys for, and then we'll click on the Day Schedule tab. Then at the top, we will see we have our drop down for our selection of day programs like we did on the Day Schedule window. We then have our different shortcut rows, row 1, 2, and 3, and the allocation then works the same. We'll, on the drop down, select which day program we want to work with, right click on the key, and assign the key from there. Then let's select another day program, and this time we will assign it by dragging and dropping it on our desired shortcut key. We can then continue till we are happy with all of the allocations, click on the Save button, then close, and go on working with Jarrison Time.
That will be all for the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.